Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a lot interesting because I'll be sharing 3 things you can start doing now in order to earn an extra income as a fashion designer, which is 3 things you can start doing in order to make more money. So it's going to be 3 things, and the third one is what I want you guys to actually pay attention to carefully. So I will advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end to have a good understanding of what I'm about to show you guys. However, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a tip with you guys, one particular thing that I've been doing, and I will advise you guys to start doing it. It's never too late in order to start earning an extra income also. So the very first one is very important. You should start making a ready to wear. And I understand you're like, ready to wear is a little bit complicated, right? But I want you guys to pay attention. If they closely look at the trend right now, people are not wearing fitted clothes again. Just pay attention. Take a look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a baggy shirt. People are not wearing fitted stuff again. If you look at the vintage shirts that I make a video about it previously, you're going to realize that it doesn't have to be fitted. You don't need a firm measurement. So you can just start making big clothes and just shirts. You can just focus only on shirts, or just focus on only shorts, or maybe like the 2 pieces up and down vintage outfit. And all you can do, you don't have to stress yourself. If you have a shop right now, maybe you have a workshop, or you have a showroom, or you're possibly working in the house, people find it easier to buy like a piece of shirt. If you make, I've experienced it actually because I do it. People can just come into the workshop. You can just show them, even if they don't have the plan of buying a shirt, you can just ask them to just wear it. You have nothing to lose. And when they wear it and they realize that it's very casual, they can wear it to anywhere. They find it very easy to just pay for it, or pay you half of it if they don't plan it. Then you realize that you can just make money as fast as possible. So I will advise you guys to start making ready to wear. Just go for vintage shirts. You can just go for only boxers. And I already make videos on all of that on this channel. I have a video on how to make a vintage shirt, how to make a boxers. I already did all those videos. So I will advise you guys to get into ready to wear and start. You don't have to do mass product. Maybe like just maybe assume you'll be selling like 1 pieces maybe a day. You don't have to go overboard. Maybe 1 pieces a day. Just go to the market, buy maybe like five different color, and just cut big size. Don't think of having to fit them. That's you're going overboard. That's what people are wearing now. They're wearing baggy outfits. So just cut and sew a big outfit and sell it for anybody. Make sure your price is not overboarding. And I'll make a video again on how to actually price. I've got several questions on how to negotiate price and stuff like that. So I'll make another video on that. So that's the first one. Go into ready to wear and start earning an extra income just like that. The second thing that I want you guys to do in order to earn an extra income is your marketing strategy. See, this is just a very quick secret that I'm going to share with you guys. You're going to do something, you see. People will hardly reject you telling them that you're going to make them clothes. I don't know, it could be maybe from my side. Because if I walk up to someone and I tell them I'm a fashion designer and I like your physiques, and I think if I make an outfit for you, it's going to like go well a lot. And what I usually did is that all those pieces of fabric that you usually throw away, you can. I'm currently at the house right now. If assuming I'm at the workshop, I can show you what I did. You're going to cut a lot of pieces of fabric, nice fabric that you've sewn before. You're going to cut them and sew them in a booklet paper. I'm coming. Something like this. I believe you can see this. You're going to cut pieces of fabric and just make them like this. So you can simply move around with something like this, maybe in your pocket. This is like almost like thousands of pieces. If you're working with fabric, it can be like 100 or 20 or 30. And you can simply show them this. Like, these are the fabric that they just brought from US. This fabric just came from China recently, and they're nice fabric. And you can allow them to just touch it, feel the texture, and you tell them you can make them good outfits, take their measurements. It doesn't matter if you use your money to buy the fabric and give it to them, but you have to be very sure of what you're capable of doing before you get into this aspect of making an outfit. Like using your money to buy the fabric, give it to them. When they wear it and they see like, damn, this is good, they can simply pay you for it, and you can quickly start making an income by actually just walking up to people and doing this. And the third one, which I'm going to tell you guys, is to, if you're sure of yourself, if you're sure that you are good enough, I will advise you to start a YouTube channel. Why can't you start a YouTube channel? I will personally subscribe because I'm still learning. I want to learn, and I believe that you people know something that you're not sharing. Why are you not sharing? God, it doesn't make sense. So I will advise you, if you have knowledge, you should start a YouTube channel and teach people how to sew. And you can, depending if you can actually add value, if you're sure you can give value, you understand what you're doing, people will pay you for maybe a private tutors and stuff like that. So that is just the 3 things that I can share with you. There are so many other ways, but I'm still learning, let me say, and I'm still growing, and there are several places that I've not, several aspects of fashion that I've not explored. I'm still working on some other aspects that are my products and things like that I still want to explore. I'll still be sharing more video on this channel, so make sure you smash the like button. So far, I should have said you guys should smash the like button before we even get to this stage. Make sure you smash the like button. That is very, very important. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And the last tip, which I told you guys I'm going to share with you guys, it is very important that you start learning. You start learning. If you're on our Telegram group, and I'll put the link in the description below, I've shared a couple of books that I've read about doing business and marketing and stuff like that. There are some books for business that you can start reading. Like this one that I'm working with right now. It's actually not about business. It is, can you see? I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me focus this. Okay, it is the psychology of wealth. The psychology of wealth. How to accumulate wealth and stuff. All these things will make you understand the principle of the principle of being able to save your money, being able to understand your income. You don't have to spend all the money that customer give you. There are some that should be saved, maybe like 10% for emergency, all those things. You need to understand how to break down your income. How much do you actually spend per month? So all these things, you just have to start reading books. I'm coming, let me show you. I'm not sure you guys are seeing those books. I have quite a lot of books that I've shared with you guys. And there's this particular one. If you're a Nigerian, you need to actually read this book. This one right there. Okay, this one. On my second channel, I made a review about how to sell to Nigerian. It is written by Akin Alabi. I made a review. I'll put a link in the description below to my review about this book on how to sell to Nigerians. If you're a Nigerian, I think you need to learn this. Just have a good understanding of who are your customers and who you are dealing with. So I posted this thing and someone messaged me on Telegram asking me like, how much do I get this book? And I told him, no, not even this particular one. It was there's one other one that I was reading. There's one other one that I was reading actually, and I think I'm coming how to sell or something. So the guy was asking me how much was the book, and I told him I think I bought it 5,500. So the guy was like, wow, it's too expensive. But that same kind of a person can actually buy a shirt of 10,000 or a shirt of 20,000 or whatever, and you can't invest in yourself. So I will advise you to invest in yourself. If you cannot buy a hard copy of this, I'll put the link in the description below. Yeah, you can buy a soft copy, an ebook of this. It's exactly the same thing. I'll put a link to that below in the description below, so you can buy it, read it, and have a good understanding of who are Nigerians, who are the people you are dealing with, to actually be able to sell. So that's about it on this video. The very first one we talked about, don't forget, is start making a ready to wear. Go for vintage shirts or boxers. You don't have to make it fitted. Just cut. But people wear baggy now. That's the trend. Big outfits. But it's all about your swag. You understand? You just have to like just be. It's not about showing your body this thing. It's not about personal sharpness. You have to just be sharp. That's what is trending now. So wear baggy, go into ready to wear, the second one which I talk about, and the third one which is getting a fabric pieces as a book and be able to like show your clients how it is, and the third one which is start a YouTube channel. It's as simple. You can start with your phone, you can start with anything. And the tip which I share with you, invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video so far, give it a thumb up and make sure you smash the like button. I will see you guys on my next video. Peace, and do have a lovely day. Bye bye.